Hi there, this is Meenakshi Sharma from Welcome Canada, and today's topic is related to credit card with no annual fee, the best no annual fee cashback credit card in Canada. These best no annual fee cashback credit cards are targeted towards those Canadians with lower income and modest credit scores, so almost everyone can get approved for them. The criteria of these no annual fee credit cards are personal income or household income not applicable, credit score should be fair, greater than 660, and Canadian residence or provincial age of majority. First one is President's Choice Financial World Mastercard. This card with welcome bonus $20, annual reward $378, first year value $398. Interest on purchase 20.97% and on cash advance 22.97%. This card is best for those looking to maximize their grocery saving. This card includes 90 days purchase protection, 1 year extended warranty, 24/7 concert service. The reward structure is based on points, 20 points for every $1 spent on grocery or PC travel, 35 points for every $1 spent at Shopper Drug Mart, 10 points for every $1 spent on all other purchasing. So I think this is best card for grocery or the Shopper Drug Mart. The second on this list is President's Choice Financial Mastercard with no annual fee. Your welcome bonus is $20, annual reward $300, and first year value $320. 20.97% on purchase interest rate, 22.97% on cash advance interest rate. This card is suitable for those who have a strong fan list for PC Optimum programs. You can avail 90 days purchase protection, 1 year extended warranty with this. Reward structure should be based on PC Optimum reward points, 25 points earned on every purchase $1 spent in Shopper Drug Mart, 20 points earned for every $1 spent on PC travel, 10 points earned on $1 spent on all other purchases. The third one is Triangle Mastercard with no annual fee. That will come with $0 bonus annual reward, and first year value will be similar, $368. Interest rate on purchases 19.99% and on cash advance 22.99%. Great for Canadian Tire shoppers to earn Canadian Tire money everywhere and even more in stores or on gas. You can enjoy no receipt return, no fee, no interest financing on qualifying purchases. New card member bonus. You can collect a 15% back, 4% every day plus 11% bonus in Canadian Tire money. You can get 1.5% back on grocery, 4% cash back on $1 spent on Canadian Tire Sport Check, Marks and Atmosphere, 0.8% cash back on every $1 spent elsewhere. 5 cents back per liter in City Money at gas or Husky station. The next card on this list is Allure Mastercard with no annual fee. There is no welcome bonus on this card, but annual reward and first year value is $48. The interest rate on purchase 20.99% and on cash advance 22.49%. You can earn a reward that allow you to support the Quebec Breast Cancer Foundation, and the National Bank donate 10 cents for every $10 purchased on this card. This card with 1 year extended warranty, 90 days purchase protection, and 0 liability protection. You can earn 1 point for every $2 spent by this card. Next card on this list is RBC Reward Plus Visa card with no annual fee. There is no welcome bonus on this card, but annual reward and the first year value of this card is $100. The interest rate on the purchase is 19.99% and on cash advance 22.99% on this card. This card gives no fee option for families to earn rewards on daily necessities. Great redeem option for your points. You can get $0 delivery fee for 3 months from DoorDash, 90 days purchase protection, 1 year extended warranty, price protection, instant fuel saving at Petro-Canada. Got it? By this RBC Reward Plus Visa card, you can earn 1 RBC Reward point for every $1 spent on gas, grocery, drugstore purchases, and you can earn 1 RBC Reward point for every $2 spent on all other purchases. For next video, we will discuss the another no annual fee credit cards like TD Reward Visa Card, Harley Davidson Mastercard, RBC Cashback Mastercard, Home Trust Preferred Visa Card. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, give me more motivation to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share. Au revoir, goodbye, have a nice day, bye bye.